Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the diazonium salt, that is the organic compound containing the nitrogen atom. The nitrogen atom consists the organic compound that are the four salts. First one is the amines and second one is the diazonium salt. Here is the second one is the diazonium salt. That is the first one, preparation of the diazonium salt. Already previous class discussed about the general principles of the diazonium salt and chemical properties of the amines. Already discussed in previous class, but today we are going to discuss about the preparation of the diazonium salt. How to preparation of the diazonium salt? Here is the first of all, the first one, aniline or aminobenzene. Preparation of the diazonium salt, that is prepared by the amines or primary amine. It is also known as a aromatic primary amines. Aromatic means that the benzenide rings bonding with the NH2 function group, that is also called as a aromatic primary amine, that is also called as aniline. Benzene bonding with the NH2 function group, that is also called as a aromatic primary amine or aniline. Here is the aniline treated with the nitrous acid. Aniline treated with the nitrous acid, that is the mixture of the sodium nitrate plus hydrochloric acid. Two mixtures also called as a nitrous acid. Here is the aniline treated with the nitrous acid, that is the mixture of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. Then here is the form of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Here is the benzene bonding with the N2 plus Cl minus ion. Here is the benzene ring bonding with the N2 plus. It is also called as a benzene diazonium Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium salt and plus NaCl plus 2H2O. That is the preparation of the benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt. It is also called as this reaction is also called as a diazotization reaction. What is the diazotization reaction or preparation of the diazonium salt? Two reactions are the same, diazotization or preparation of the diazonium salt. Here is the first one, aromatic primary amines or aniline treated with the nitrous acid, that is the sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid mixture also called as a nitrous acid, treated with the 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then form of the benzene diazonium chloride and NaCl plus 2H2O. This reaction is also called as a diazotization or preparation of the benzene diazonium chloride. It is prepared by the aromatic primary amine or aniline treated with the sodium nitrate or hydrochloric acid. Sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid. Two mixtures also called as a nitrous acid in the presence of 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then form of the benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction also called as a diazotization reaction. Next, another one, physical properties of the benzene diazonium chloride. Here is the first one, physical properties. It is a colorless crystalline. Diazonium salt is a colorless crystalline. Diazonium salt is a colorless crystalline solid. Diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid. It exists as a solid nature, crystalline solid nature, that is the colorless compound. Next, another one, it is readily soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water or dissolved in water molecule, and it is stable in the cold. It is easily soluble in water molecule and it is stable in the cold, but react with the when warmed. Here is the stability at cold, but react with when it is warmed. Remaining, it decomposes easily in the dry state. The benzene diazonium chloride, that is also known as a diazonium salt, decomposes easily in the dry state. It is dry state, it is easily decomposes. That is the physical properties of the benzene diazonium chloride. Next, another one, chemical reaction. Here is the reactions of the benzene diazonium salt can be broadly divided into two categories. The chemical reactions of the benzene diazonium salt can be divided into two categories. Here is the chemical reactions or chemical properties or chemical reactions of the benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, or it is also called as a diazonium salt, can be broadly divided into two categories. Namely that is the first one, reaction involving displacement of nitrogen. Reaction involving displacement of nitrogen atom. Here is the reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen atom. Here is the reaction. Diazonium salt. Here is the reaction involving, when it is involving in reaction, displacement of the nitrogen atom. Here is the place in displace. Here is the another chlorine or bromide such as like that. Displacement of the anions. That is also known as a reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen. That is the first chemical reaction. And second one is the reaction involving retentions of the diazo groups. Retentions of diazo group. First one is the replacement of the nitrogen atom, and second one is the reaction involving the retentions of the diazo groups. Diazo group, that is the chemical reactions of the diazonium salt. Next, another one, first reaction. Here is the first one, reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen. Reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen. Here is the diazonium salt or diazonium group. It is also called as a diazonium chloride or diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene bonding with the N2 plus and Cl minus. It is ring also called as a aromatic ring. Aromatic ring also called as a diazonium salt. Diazonium salt bonding with the N2 plus Cl minus. Here is the benzene diazo. N2 also known as a diazonium Cl minus. Diazonium chloride. Here is the benzene diazonium salt or diazonium group, being a very good having the group. Here is the very good having the group. It is substituted by the other groups. It is substituted by the other groups like that: Cl minus ion, Br minus ion, I minus ion, Cn minus ion. That is the, and OH, which is the displacement of the nitrogen from the aromatic ring. From the aromatic ring, that is the reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen atom. That is, says that diazonium salt group is very good living group. Diazonium salt is very good living group. It is also known as a displacement or living group. It is substituted by the other groups like that: Cl minus ion, Br minus ion, I minus ion, Cn minus ion, and OH minus ion, which is the displacement of the nitrogen atom from the aromatic ring. That is the reaction involving the displacement of the nitrogen atom. Here is the first one, the replacement of the halides or cyanides. Replacement of the halides or cyanides. Halides also called as a 7th group elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. That is the replacement of halides. Replacement of chloride, bromide, iodide. That is also known as a halide. Replacement of halides or cyanide ion. That is the first chemical reaction or Sandmeyer reaction. Here is the benzene diazonium salt. Here is the diazonium salt or benzene diazonium chloride treated with the cuprous chloride and hydrochloric acid, cuprous bromide and hydrobromic acid, cuprous cyanide and potassium cyanide. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride treated with the cuprous chloride. Here is the cuprous chloride or hydrochloric acid. Cuprous chloride and hydrochloric acid. Then here is the form of chlorobenzene. Here is the replacement of Cl minus ion. Here is the replacement of the halide diazonium group. That is also known as a reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen atom. displacements of the nitrogen atom, but here is the adding with the halides, chlorobenzene and N2 plus. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride treated with the cuprous chloride and hydrochloric acid. Then in this reaction, displacement of the nitrogen atom, replacement by the halogen, that is the Cl, chlorobenzene, benzene is formed. That is also known as a Sandmeyer reaction. Or benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt treated with the cuprous bromide, C2Br, and hydrobromic acid, then form of the bromobenzene. Here is the displacement of the nitrogen atom by the replacement by the bromine, that is also known as a bromobenzene. Benzene bonding with the bromine, it is also called as a bromobenzene. Benzene bonding with the chlorine, it is also called as a chlorobenzene plus N2 group. Next, another one, benzene diazonium chloride treated with the cuprous cyanide or potassium cyanide. Here is the displacement of the nitrogen atom replaced by the Cn, that is also known as a cyanobenzene is formed. That is also known as a Sandmeyer reaction or replacement of the by the halides or cyanide. Sandmeyer reaction or replacement of the halides or cyanide. That is the first one. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with the cuprous chloride and hydrobromic acid, and cuprous chloride and hydrochloric acid, cuprous bromide and hydrobromic acid, cuprous cyanide and potassium cyanide, then form of the chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene. This reaction is also called as a Sandmeyer reaction or replacement of the halides or cyanide. That is the Sandmeyer reaction. Next, second one is the Gutterman reaction. It is also known as the scientist name Gutterman reaction, very very important. Write the reactions of the Sandmeyer reaction and Gutterman reaction, 4 marks question, very very important. Here is the write the organic reactions of the Sandmeyer reaction and Gutterman reaction. Here is the first one, benzene diazonium chloride treated with the copper and hydrochloric acid, copper and hydrobromic acid, then displacement of the nitrogen atom replaced by the chlorine and bromine, that is also called as a chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. It is also called as a Gutterman reaction. Results called as Gutterman reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt, benzene diazonium halide, it is also called as a X also known as the 7th group elements. Benzene diazonium halide or diazonium salt treated with the cuprous hydrochloric acid and cuprous hydrobromic acid, then form of the chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. This reaction is also called as a Gutterman reaction. In this reaction, benzene diazonium chloride treated with the copper and hydrochloric acid, then here is the displacement of nitrogen atom and replacement by the chlorine and removal of N2 and copper halides are formed. Here is also known as a copper halide, and removal of the displacement of nitrogen atom and replacement of the chlorine, that is also known as a chlorobenzene. Next, another one, here is the benzene diazonium chloride treated with the copper and hydrobromic acid, then removal of the copper halide, that is also copper halide, displacement of nitrogen atom, then replaced by the bromine atom, that is also called as a bromobenzene. In this reaction also called as a Gutterman reaction. Next, another one, replacement by the iodide ion, replacement by the iodide ion. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride treated with the or combining with the potassium iodide at the 278 degrees centigrade, then form of the iodobenzene and removal of N2 and KCl. In this reaction, displacement of nitrogen atom replaced by the iodine, then here is also called as a benzene diazonium chloride treated with the potassium iodide, then form of the iodobenzene. Here is the N2 function group, that is also diazo group is displacement. Here is also known as a displaced. Replaced by the iodine, iodobenzene. Benzene bonding with the iodine, then form of iodobenzene. Next one, removal of N2 plus K plus Cl, KCl, potassium chloride is formed. That is the replacement by the iodide ion. Next, another one, replacement of the fluoride ions. Next one, replacement by the fluoride ion. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride, that is also known as a diazonium salt. Diazonium salt treated with the fluoroboric acid, HBF4, it is also called as a fluoroboric acid. Benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt treated with the fluoroboric acid, then form of the benzene diazonium tetraborate precipitate is formed. That is also known as a benzene diazonium tetraborate precipitate is formed when it is heated with the high temperature, then form of the fluorobenzene. Here is the displacement of nitrogen atom and replaced by the fluorine atom. That is also called as a fluorobenzene. Here also known as a fluorobenzene. Benzene bonding with the fluoride is also called as a fluorobenzene, and removal of BF3, boron trifluoride, and displacement of nitrogen atom. That is the replacement by the fluoride ion. Here is the first one, replacement by the fluoride ion. Benzene diazonium salt treated with the fluoroboric acid, HBF4 also called as a fluoroboric acid. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with the fluoroboric acid, then form of the benzene diazonium tetraborate precipitate is formed. Benzene diazonium tetraborate is formed. That is also known as a precipitate. And when it is heated with the high temperature, then displacement of nitrogen atom replaced by the fluorine atom, then also form of fluorobenzene. That is also called as a replacement by the fluoride ion. Next, fourth one, replacement by the hydrogen. But above the reaction, replacement by the fluoride ion. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium salt treated with the hypophosphorus acid. H3PO2, it is also called as a hypophosphorus acid. Then here is the form of displacement of the nitrogen atom and another one chlorine. Then here is the replaced by the hydrogen. Then here is the form of aromatic ring, that is also known as a benzene. And displacement N2 and phosphoric acid H3PO3 and form of HCl. Here is the replacement by the hydrogen atom. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with the hypophosphorus acid, then form of aromatic ring. It is also called as a benzene ring. That is the replacement by the hydrogen. Displacement of diazonium group N2 plus and replaced by the hydrogen. That is also called as a aromatic ring or benzene. Next one, benzene diazonium chloride treated with the ethyl alcohol C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol or ethanol. C2H5OH also called as a ethanol. Here is the diazonium salt or benzene diazonium chloride treated with the ethanol or ethyl alcohol, then displacement of nitrogen atom and a halogen, then here is the form of benzene or aromatic ring, and removal of N2, that is also replacement by the diazo group, and CH3 and CHO, that is also known as a acetaldehyde or ethanol and HCl. That is the reaction of replacement by the hydrogen. Next one, fifth one is the replacement by the hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group also known as a OH minus ion. It is also known as a hydroxyl group. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride treated with the water molecule H2O. Water molecule, then form of, here is the water consists the H plus ion and OH minus ion. Then replacement of OH group, that is also called as a hydroxyl group. A benzene bonding with the OH or hydroxyl, that is also called as a phenol. Then here is the benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt treated with the water molecule, then form of phenol or hydroxybenzene. OH also called as a hydroxyl group. Displacement of nitrogen atom and HCl, that is the replacement by the hydroxyl group. Next last one, replacement of NO2. NO2 also called as a nitro group. Here is the OH group, here is the NO2 group. Replacement of NO2 group. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride treated with the fluoroboric acid, HBF4. Fluoroboric acid, then form of benzene diazonium tetraborate precipitate is formed. When it is treated with the sodium nitride and heated with the high temperature, then form of nitrobenzene. Displacement of nitrogen atom and sodium tetraborate is formed. That is the reactions of reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen atom. Reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen atom. That is the replacement of halides and cyanide ions. Halides and cyanide, that is also known as the Sandmeyer reaction and Gutterman reaction. Second one is the replacement of iodide ion. Third one, replacement of fluoride ion. And fourth one, replacement of hydrogen ion. Next one is the replacement of the hydroxyl group. And sixth one is the replacement of NO2 group. That is those reactions also called as a reaction involving displacement of nitrogen. That is the diazonium salt. And the second one is the reaction involving retentions of diazo group. Reaction involving retentions of diazo group. That is the second reaction.